We've been getting a lot of questions asked about how we get through all that concrete on a storm drain catch basin. First of all, make sure it's a storm drain catch basin and not sewage. If it's got a solid lid, there's a very good chance it could be sewage, and you're not allowed to put storm water in it. A lot of people say, oh, you're lucky because you run into a lot of them that are sleeved. No, to be honest with you, most of them are not sleeved, and half of them that are sleeved, our French drains are so big, so deep, so wide that we have to core underneath the tap. So right now, he's doing a core and tap, and then we're going to take this piece of Schedule 40, slip it in a nicely cored storm drain catch basin, and put some hydraulic concrete on both sides. That's the right way to do it. Then you just go ahead and put that coupler on that I showed and click your corrugated pipe right to it. It really is that simple. You could rent those core drills